Hi, my name is Pam Baker, and I'm a systems technician for the Kenton County Public Library. I'd like to thank you for joining us today as we take a look at some traveling apps. All of these apps are free, and we're hoping that this will help make your vacation just a little bit easier. First app I'd like to show you is Pack the Bag. Pack the Bag will help you get organized so that you don't forget anything important on your vacation. You can make an itinerary, a list, and fill in what things you need to take, such as medications, your tickets, all the way down to even your shampoo and soap. And Pack the Bag will remind you, and it will let you know when your list is completed. You'll have it with you at all times on your mobile device, and it will help you to relax and enjoy your vacation without forgetting something. With Weather Plus, you can enter your destinations before you ever leave your home and know what kind of weather to expect or what you need to pack as far as your clothing. And you can also have live video that will show you if it's raining or snowing. You have a 5-day forecast. It's all free. You can add multiple locations so that you can switch back and forth, and you don't get any surprises when you arrive at your destination. As we all know, flights and plane times get changed all the time. Instead of stressing and spending extra time just hanging out at the airport, if you use Flight Tracker app, you will have real-time information in your mobile device at your side all the time. Flight Tracker will allow you to enter your flight number. It will post if the flight's been delayed, canceled, if there's weather issues. It even has a real-time map that will show you where the flight is. This is great not only when you're traveling, but it's also great when you're going to pick up someone at the airport. You're not wasting extra time just waiting. You can actually pull up the app, put the flight number in, and take a look at where the plane currently is and if it's scheduled to land on time. Free Wi-Fi Finder is a great app to have when you're traveling so that you don't have to waste money paying for Wi-Fi service. We all need Wi-Fi, whether it be for our phone or our tablets. And with this app, you can just put in your location, or you can turn on your GPS, and you will get some little green pins that will show you where all the Wi-Fi that's free is located. It will even give you a map. It will even walk you to your destination, and all for free. Allpoint will help you find an ATM machine close to you all over the world. Allpoint is really easy to use. All you do is put in your location, or even turn on your location service on your mobile device, and you will be notified with some green pins on your screen of the ATM that's closest to you. Waze is a great app to let you get to your destination on time without any trouble. Waze is great not only for traveling, but also in our day-to-day life, getting to work, picking your kids up from school on time. Waze has real-time activity. It will show you if there's road construction, wrecks, any obstacle that could get in your way of reaching your destination on time. Waze is free, and it will help you arrive on time and safe. The Inkcard app is wonderful for sharing your photos from your vacations. You can use the card app to send birthday cards, postcards from wherever you're traveling. You can go in and have these scheduled to be delivered to your family and friends. They will actually be there before you even arrive home from your vacation. Inkcard will allow you to keep your family and friends far away up to date on your travels or on your everyday life. With the TripIt app, you can be organized on your vacation before you even leave your own home. You can go in and put your itinerary, email all your confirmation numbers. People always worry about losing a paper copy. Now you don't have to worry about that. TripIt lets you get very organized. You can relax, know that you will have all of your information in one place all the time. Using the ParkMe app will allow you to enter your destination before you even leave home, and you will already know where you're going to park. It will show you all the parking lots and parking garages, the prices, so you'll even know how much you're going to pay before you even get there. It will also tell you if there are any spots available so that you're not stressing and you're not running late for that concert or that big ball game you're attending. So using ParkMe will help you get to your destination on time and save money and have a stress-free day. I'd like to thank you for joining me today for our Pinterest series on traveling apps. We'd also like to invite you to attend our classes, 40 apps in 40 minutes, and using the library apps as well. Stop in any location or check out more apps on our website at kentonlibrary.org. I hope you have a wonderful summer, and I hope these apps help make your vacation a little bit more pleasant.